My video guide is about fixing the browser redirection issue that is related to the website revbikecraft.com. revbikecraft.com is a website that may periodically appear in your browser. This website doesn't come up in your browser based on your personal intention. Instead, there is certain adware enabled in the computer that might periodically show such pop-ups on your computer screen. The pop-ups by revbikecraft.com try to forward you to many other deceptive resources. For instance, these browser redirection issues may eventually point you to the installation of adware, browser hijacking extensions, and even potentially unwanted programs. So be very careful, do not interact with these pop-ups, and if you have noticed these alerts by revbikecraft.com on your screen, make sure you disregard what they tell you. And if you have noticed these browser direction issues to disturb your browser, you should undertake the measures to fix your browser as soon as possible. This is what you can do. First of all, check the control panel of your computer, and if you find any suspicious programs on the list, uninstall them in the regular manner. I also recommend researching the computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.